Hi. First of all, thank you if you have went through this entire course. I came here to address few issues because I had uploaded this course like in 2020 and it is almost about to be 3 years. And most of the feedback I am getting that they are unable to fetch the data or they are unable to follow the what proper videos here. So see, like this one review I can see, he's telling that it is not working on the MacBook. When I coded this, I using NSEPython, which basically very dependent on the local system, and NSE has many restrictions because people like us scrap their website, and it is totally illegal to scrap their website and take data. So what they did, they have given many restrictions for that. So I am the guy who coded the NSEPython library. You know that maybe. So this is the library I coded to scrap NSE, and see I have also updated many stuff here, and I also created a very good system called leverage where you can see many dashboards are made there. So anyways, coming back to the topic, the thing is that it is not working on many systems. Many people are complaining on that, and because I had not updated this course, I got a very negative review despite had a very good start. Okay, but as there is more than 10,000 students, I must update it. Okay, so I made another library with same name called NSC Python server. So for those of the guys who do not have laptop at all, you can just try this entire code directly from Google Colab. So that's what I will show you. So without any further instruction or further talking, let's jump in on the next part and let's revisit the entire course once more time. But this time we shall be coding the entire thing not in the local environment but in the Google Colab, and anybody can use Google Colab, right? So first of all, you need to go. I must have given this link in the course, and if you are unable to find it, I'll share this link again. And in this tutorial notebook, you see these are the notebooks basically, right, which I used for the entire coding stuff, and whatever I taught you are basically here. So the IPNB, let me open in the new tab. As the file is long, I think GitHub can break. No, it is not breaking right now. Anyways, so let's redo this entire thing right now in Google Colab. So let me open Google Colab first. So in case you are unable to follow it, let me just revisit the entire thing. So Google Colab is a online Jupyter environment where you can just basically type print test and press shift plus enter, and it will run as exactly as the Jupyter notebook which you have seen in the previous part of this course. But that was running in the local environment, but this will be running in directly from the main Google website. See, unable to render code block. So this is a problem which happens in the GitHub. So go to nbviewer.org and take this link. See what happens in the GitHub, that when you are checking big Jupyter notebooks, they sometimes get broken. Okay, so you have to use this service. Paste the link here, click go. The entire thing will come here and you can use it. So anyways, come back to the old stuff. Okay. So this is initialized, and if you are not sure that how I have done it, this first go to Google, type Google Colab, click on here, and then click File New. Okay. First you have to install pip install NSEPython server. Remember in the last time we were doing NSEPython, but that was for local environment only. And this time you can do in the server directly. See, I had to make these two library very separately because the restriction of NSE. Otherwise, it is very easy for the other. See, in America there are very less traders than the Indian market, right? So the technology stacker of the brokers here are not that much advanced, and they are not open here. In America, every API sort of is free, and the ecosystem is very good in that sense. Anyways, so let's copy the entire part. Where is the Jupyter notebook? I'm just opening it. Now from NSEPython import this. So instead of that, we need to do from NSEPython server import. It went to the next line. And see, when I was doing this, it was 24 September 2020 expiry. And it is literally like more than 3 years, about to be 3 years. So right now it is 28 September, the next expiry of 2023. It should come properly. See, the code is running right now. So please use the Google Colab and do the rest of the codes. I can show you that how it can work. I'll just paste this entire thing and it will work perfectly. So if the system is not working in your laptop or wherever you are working on, instead of using NSEPython, use NSEPython server. The entire thing will run perfectly. I'm just copying the code and I'm just pasting it to show you that it is working fine. Now in the next video I shall be showing you that how you can integrate the broker part, because many people has complained that broker part is not working. So how it will work, because see what happened, SEBI has introduced many restrictions to the brokers, and so they had to change their API so many times. So the entire code base has changed. But I will rest assure you that everything is working fine. You need to update your code, right? So I'll show you how to update the code in 3 different brokers. I will try Upstocks, IIFL, and let's see if I get permission from Zerodha to use that. And see, IIFL and Upstocks API is totally free. And if you do not know, don't have an account, go to Unofficed.com. Go to partners. Yeah, my website is very slow. So anyways, this will work fine. Go to my golden ratio notebooks, click on it, and if you can see unable to render block, use NB viewer to see it. And because of this, do not give very bad review to my course. See, things happen. If GitHub is broken because of a big Jupyter notebooks, it is not my fault, right? So what I can do there? You need to find a way out. So go to NB viewer and paste it. The second part of code will also work very much fine. And you'll be fascinated that I have created so many new stuff in NSEPython also. So go to NSEPython documentation. I have added Black-Scholes models. I have added many different new functions. So you might like it. See the local edition, server edition. This was what I was talking about. See, I have added many different extra functions here. Check them out. And you will also find many tutorials. Just go to the course part and check them out. They are also free. And let's see if this is the last part. Let's see the Justile is coming or not. Then I will leave it to you. Let's see. Yeah, everything is coming very perfectly. Now I will discuss about how to run this on Upstocks and IIFL for sure, and I may also discuss Angel. Okay, so these 3 brokers, if you don't have account, just go here and click on learn more, click on somewhere and open the account. It will open the account under me and you will get all the trades and every code for free also. and the API is also free for those brokers. Anyways, see you in the next video.